Good morning. Can you tell me how one simple job or one simple visit turns into 25 more jobs? So here we have Ron's beautiful DB34 Gold Star on the bench. It's an honour to have it in the garage, but a simple visit to see Ron start his bike after about 6 years turned into this. How did that happen?
Flame.
When someone asks you if they'd like you to ride the Gold Star, you have to say yes, even if you're wearing work gloves and
a ridiculous hat.
All right. Or he's just going to tighten the seat.
Quite ridiculous.
Eddie the Eagle. Right?
The Eddie the Eagle. Yeah, you train for the ski jump off the roof. Oh, lovely.
Clutch plates may need adjusting.
Unstick. They've been stuck together for 6 years.
Or a little warming.
Yeah, they've been stuck together for 6 years. That's what happens.
You okay? Yep. Yeah. There's the infamous kickback.
Oh.
I'll let you away.
Death can be fatal. And remember, they can smell fear. No.
Let's have a look at why that clutch is stuck. It is a mystery. Okay. Dry and dusty in there.
Oh, well, you got it tool.
That.
So the plates stuck?
The belt has pushed back on this drive, this sprocket essentially. The belt is pushed back and it's rubbing up against the inner case.
No,
Yeah, it's
there's
not.
nothing
It's
on the
not.
back to stop
So
it.
it's turning then. There's not an issue.
Well, yeah, but it needs to be pulled back.
So as we look at that, it's not.
But this unit
It's
is
not on the
turning.
same plane.
Some clutch plates here, and we got some orange stuff on there. Did you paint these orange, Ron? Why did you do that?
I guilty as charged.
Oh my God!
Ran through the last creek.
Oh yeah.
So we got
Yes.
a
So you,
plate.
so you had a lot of orange paint. You didn't know what to do.
Oh, look, you see that then?
That's all stuck together.
Yeah, it's.
Oh,
I
lovely.
mean, I don't even know these steel plates
they may come up.
Oh, that'll wire brush up, and you
But
need
the
to
bonded plates,
soak those in something. It's probably okay. Little kerosene probably deal with that.
I mean, what I'd like to try is just very quickly clean these up,
Yeah.
put them back in, reassemble the clutch assembly, because I just want to make
see if you
sure
get
that
it
the
to
push
operate.
rod is. I checked the end of the push rods. It's
So
not.
if you pull the clutch, you got
That's
it.
not
Okay.
burnt out.
No.
You know, I thought maybe it's just burnt the push rod to bits, but it hasn't.
Okay. So if we got the adjustment set on the other side, okay, you should
Yeah.
see it push through when you pull the clutch.
Yeah, of course, yes. Okay, well, let's do that then. I've actually
It's dry.
It's very dry. And I've taken the adjuster off at the other end, so let me
Right.
just put that back in.
Okay.
We're going to pull the
So
clutch
we're going to pull
in
the
now
clutch
and see if that...
moves.
It's coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it moves.
It's moving. Oh look, there's two guys there. Look, it's in the tank.
Handsome guys.
Yes, yes.
Well, it's the
Well,
distortion of the chrome
Oh.
made us look better.
Oh, they were handsome 40 years ago.
All right.
All right. Okay, Ron's going to put some orange paint on there so it looks like it's rusty. He's cleaned up the plates.
Ron's cleaned up the plates, a little bit for now. New plates are required at some point.
Basic
but,
mucking out, as we call it.
yes.
What happened to that one? That didn't get cleaned up.
Ron's favorite color,
it'll
or
be okay
We'll put
for
it on the
now.
back where we can't see it.
your tire works for me.
Yeah.
There we are.
Look at that. This is your way and the right way.
Mike, you're fast enough. You could probably make a living at this. Not like me.
Oh, that's fighting talk.
Geoff has done this belt as well,
Yeah.
so we just cranked the engine over and just grabbed it over. But at some point, we'll need to figure out why is it drifting into the centre. We know where the heads were on this, so I won't be counting them.
They're flush, yeah.
Yeah, it's just flush with the tops
And
of the
that's
studs.
a BNR, so it's a good clutch. You know, and
Okay.
What do you think, guys?
I think it's wonderful.
Good enough for government work?
I think it's brought to you by the fine people of Fort George Vortex.
And the push rod's in.
Yeah.
That's touching. Just going to back it off a little bit.
yeah, I usually back them off about half a turn.
Yeah.
Bow tie it.
Okay.
I just,
All
We'll
right.
just try on the other side. Yeah, this is the main leader. It's got a Dynamo rig. Okay, it's got electronic regulator. Holy cow, they're wiring this. Oh, that doesn't look good at all, does it? Is that the headline?
Link them both together and then tries to load up.
The other thing we will have done now is we've remade the tire. take it for a ride. Very cool, nice bars. Okay. Oh, this is great. Very comfortable in this position. Very different to the one I rode once before. You may remember that, guys. It was the clubman style, and my butt was in the air at the back, and I was trying to do the camera, and there was a lot going on. Oh, this is very, very comfy.
They run. See, for me, it's just as much fun to hear the engine running and knowing that it's pretty well dialed in for a scramble. That sound.
There's sort of a knock.
Pardon?
There's like a knock. I can hear a knock. Like down here. You hear it? You feel it? If you want to sit on it, you can hear it, feel it. Do you hear it?
I'll pull the primary off and make sure it's not too loose or it hasn't loosened up.
Yes, that's what it feels like.
Every now and again,
If it wasn't a belt drive, I would think that the chain was clunking on a pillar. Okay, so we've taken the clutch apart and we've greased the bearings, we've tightened things up again, we've double checked everything because there was that little strange knocking. Wasn't the engine, but we think it was the clutch, so we've taken that all apart and put it back together, and here we go again. Let's see what we can find in here. So we're going to put the clutch back on without the primary cover just to see if we can see anything that's clattering and chattering away, see what's causing that knock. Yeah.
We'll find it.
Teeth or bearings, eh?
Yeah,
Teeth.
I'd say teeth.
Yeah.
And you know, 40 pounds torque, that'd be plenty enough.
Yeah, just nice silver grey.
Yep.
That was a long day and we have not been able to find the cause of the knocking yet. Worried it's in there.